gluten-free, keto-friendly. It's quiche, and it's really easy to make. 5 carbs per serving. That's a quarter of that pie. 5 carbs. That's pretty good. Let's make it. Today we're making Jennifer's quiche. She's been making this recipe for 20 years, and I decided to cook it for you. It's pretty easy to do, and it's very, very low carb. There's 4 to 5 carbs per quarter slice of this pie plate. You can also make up the mixture and put it into muffin tins for egg bites. That's fine too. So pretty easy. I'm going to show you. We're going to cook on the Crown Verity grill today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to put in some onion. This is preheated. We'll saute this onion. I've got 1/3 of a cup of onion and 2 cups of broccoli. Okay, I let that go for a minute. Now we're going to put in 6 ounces of spinach. It's been cooked. And we're just going to kind of mix that in with the broccoli and the sauteed onions. It's looking pretty good. This won't take long at all. You just want to soften it a little bit for the quiche. Okay, so the broccoli, spinach, and onions are sauteed nicely. I'm just going to move the induction up to here. And now we've got 7 eggs. I'm going to put this recipe in the description below. It's really easy, and it's a keeper. As I said, she's been making it for 20 years, and she really didn't have to change much in the recipe when she became keto. But what I'm going to do is 7 eggs, and we're going to whip them up. Some mayonnaise, 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, just like that. And if there's an ingredient that you don't like, you can leave it out. But the mayonnaise and 1/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream really adds to the richness of this. Makes it super keto. So we'll just whip this up like this. That's the, yep, 350 degrees is what we're going to be cooking at. And we're going to be cooking indirect. So that means that the quiche is going to sit right here in the center, and the heat's going to be on this side and this side. It's a nice clean grill. So what I'm going to do is take the little quiche plate, and I'm going to put the veg in the bottom like this. So I spread this out like this. That looks good. And then we're going to pour the egg mixture all over everything, like that. Well, that looks good. You know, I've never made a quiche before. I've watched Jennifer do it lots of times. There, see, that looks really good. Off we go there. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on the top. A bit fresh ground pepper this morning. And I'm going to put some ham in. Very good. And now I've got 6 ounces. This is an extra old cheddar. And that's just going to go right on the top like this. Oh, that's looking good. I think I might be stepping on some toes here. That's looking good for my first quiche. But Jennifer's recipe. Oh, this is going to be a nice cheesy one. Yes, sir. That looks good. And then I'm going to just put a little garnish on the top. Just like that. I'll put a jalapeno on. Just like that. Well, doesn't that look good? That was pretty easy, actually. So I'm bang on 350 degrees. I'm going to put this in for 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll keep an eye on it, of course. At the end of this video, I'm going to make 1 bowl hollandaise sauce. It's really easy. When I first went keto in 2018, I made hollandaise sauce and eggs Benedict just about every day for a month. And I've kind of perfected a really fast method. If you've never made hollandaise sauce, I'll link to it in the end of this video. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good. Look at that cheese. That looks good. It's hot. See, it doesn't jiggle anymore. That took exactly 30 minutes. 30 minutes on the timer, and that's what the recipe says. So, wow, I'm impressed. And you can put bacon in there. You can put in whatever you like. If you don't like ham, or you can put chicken in there. You could put a crust on it. But the whole thing is, you saw how easy that was. It was really easy to make. Just whip the ingredients up and stick it in. That's 2 meals, and 5 carbs per slice.